Here's another great way to make your drop shot using what I have. It's called a P hook. So rather than having a fishing hook eye face horizontally, it's vertical and aligns with the hook. So basically this comes with it together. This is this little spring screw that you could use to screw into your artificial bait. This is kind of ingenious. So what I did was I went and screwed this thing into my shad artificial lure, and then I hooked it into the eye, and then here's the presentation. This is how it looked, and pretty simple. All you have to do is improve clinch knot on each side, so you get two separate lanes, and tie one end here to the top and tie another end, and it becomes a drop shot just like that. And you get this little nice action as you're drifting to catch your fish. It's a pretty cool setup. You could probably find these. I don't know if you could find these online, but I found some at Bat Shop Pro Bass Shop. So Bass Shop Pro, right? That's where you could probably find it, and it's pretty cool. You could keep this weedless, just like that, and then once a bass or a flounder or any fish attacks, it will hook itself, or as soon as you feel something, you go ahead and hook it, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Look, more tension you put in on, more and presentation you'll have for a fish.